My name is Julie Hoffherr. I'm a VP, Automation Lead, and Project Manager for Salas O'Brien. And a fun fact about me is that I go back to my uncle's dairy farm and help milk cows every other week. When I was trying to decide what I wanted my career path to be, I was highly influenced by my dad. He was a career maintenance man for a local industrial facility, so he always came home telling stories about the challenges they had that day, how he resolved them, and then also was tinkering with stuff around the house and would always take the time, and still does, to show us what problem he saw and what solution he used. The project I'm most proud of is a greenfield expansion of local pharmaceutical. It was one of the first projects that I was able to start on, which was a purified water system that now provides water for 3 different buildings within the facility. The advice I'd give to young women engineers is to be confident, not to be intimidated. It is a male-dominated field currently, and just have confidence in yourself and know that you can do anything that anyone else can do.